Hey guys, just want to make a quick video and just show you a little bit about this Softsoap Advanced Clean Wash Away Bacteria enriched with moisturizer soap. Comes in a big refill container here. Different variations, but the exact same thing. They just changed the packaging just to show you a little bit about what it is. So these are refills. You don't use these to put a soap pump on here. You use these to refill your soap container. So that's kind of cool. I like that a lot. There's different configurations with different, you can get 3-pack, 4-pack, 5-pack, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It smells fantastic. I'll open this up, a smell for you. Nice and clean, not a strong odor at all, which I like about this soap. It's not a strong odor at all. It's clear, pretty clear. What I like about it, what it says here is very interesting. It says here, this refills 7.5 ounce little soap. They have those little small bottles, those little things, soaps in your bathroom. 7.5, it'll refill it 10 times, which uses less plastic, which is good for the environment. And you get 2 of these, so you can refill that 20 times, or if you get 3 of them, 30 times. So it's really good for the environment. You can get multi-pack, single-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, doesn't really matter. The idea is that you have the advanced clean with the bacteria, what helps wash away some of the bacteria, and also you can save on packaging. That's what's cool about this. Again, you can refill the 7.5 ounce little ones, the smaller ones that you have in your bathroom, 10 times. There's 80 ounces in this one, 80 ounces in this one, and you can get as many as you want. Doesn't really matter. The point is, save money, keep clean, and wash away the bacteria. Good refill, love it, been using this stuff for years, never had an issue whatsoever. So I just wanted to show you, bring it to you, and to show you the value and different way to use it. Appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoy this review. Thanks for watching.